Hello, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you different ways to use cloves in order to grow your hair. I've used cloves over the years to grow my hair from this to this to this. Guys, if that's something you're interested in, then keep watching. The first way we're going to use the cloves is to make a leave-in treatment. This leave-in treatment is made with cloves and rose water. Guys, I love this combination so much. What I did was I washed my cloves. You have to wash your cloves. Anyway, that's if you get it the way I get it. I get it in the open market where it's just left open to the elements. I put in a cup of water into the cloves, warm water to extract it. I left it to infuse for about 2 hours. Then I added half a cup of rose water and a teaspoon of glycerin. This is a treatment. All I do is just apply it as my leave-in before using my moisturizer. It is a very potent treatment. The next clove treatment is cloves with aloe vera. Guys, these two ingredients on their own are powerful. Then imagine combining them together. What I did was just you put some cloves in water and let it infuse. Just let the water extract all the goodness. And I squeezed some aloe vera, fresh one I got from my garden, extracted the gel, put in the clove water and applied to the hair as a leave-in too. Guys, if you're struggling with your hair and you have these ingredients at your disposal, use them. Apply it, massage properly, and then go on with your normal moisturizing routine. This treatment is very good. Aloe vera is so good for the hair. It's a good moisturizer. Cloves have antibacterial properties. It's very good for your hair. Keeps your scalp clean, helps to grow your hair. When you apply this, make sure you seal with an oil. Don't just apply it and go. The moisture is going to escape in no time. But if you use an oil, the oil will help seal it in. And make sure you massage your scalp when you use the treatment on your hair. The next way I use my cloves is to make clove butter. Oh my goodness, this hair butter is one of the best. Let me tell you a secret. Sometimes I actually use it on my skin too. No harm in doing that. For this butter, I used shea butter and I also used mango butter. Guys, these videos, I have them as single videos on the channel, so I'm going to link them so you can get the detailed recipe. Clove oil. My clove oil has been infusing for about 4 weeks. I use jojoba oil to infuse. You can use any oil of your choice. I just wanted to use jojoba oil for this. Any oil your hair agrees with, you can use it. Guys, all these ingredients are so good for the hair. I'm also going to use castor oil and clove essential oil just to give it that extra boost. I put the shea butter in a container, added the mango butter, 2 teaspoons of the Jamaican black castor oil, and I also added my clove oil. I use the spatula to just mix this before mixing it. Guys, when you're mixing, you just want to aim for a very light consistency. If you want your oil to be lighter, you have to add little more oil, but don't add too much so it doesn't get runny. If you want it to be thicker, but I don't think it should be thicker than how it is here already. Just make sure you whip it properly. Guys, I love this whipping process. It looks so good. It looks so creamy and so light. When mixing, don't forget to turn it off and scrape down. Scrape because there will be some at the side and at the bottom that have not mixed properly. Before I continue mixing, I put in my clove essential oil. Now I just put a few drops, about 6 drops, 5 to 6 drops, because I don't want it to be too much. With cloves, a little goes a long way. After putting it, I gave it one more mix. The butters I used for this are so moisturizing. Mango butter keeps your hair moisturized, same as shea butter. Guys, when I use this butter, my hair is moisturized for days. The thing with hair growth is if you don't, no matter how your hair is growing, if you don't retain that length, if you don't work towards retaining that length, you will not see results and you will say your hair is not growing. Now, this is the consistency of the butter. So nice. I just transferred to a container. Any container you want, you can put it in. I'm not doing anything fancy. I'm not swirling it with a piping bag or something like that. I'm just putting it directly. And the way I use it is, after applying my leave-in treatment, I use the butter to seal in that moisture. Guys, when you do that, your hair will feel so soft and so nice. Don't forget to concentrate on the tips, because the tips are the oldest part of the hair. If you apply your treatments on other parts without paying attention to the tips, your hair might also break, because the tips are the oldest part of the hair. They are more fragile. Now, the next hair treatment with cloves that I do is a clove hot oil treatment. Guys, this, I'll say, this is one of my favorite ways of using oils because of how soothing this thing is. Now, in order to make the clove oil, it's just for you to, blend your cloves and put in the amount of oil you want and let it sit in a dark place for some weeks. Mine is usually 4 weeks that I keep it. Now, the hot oil treatment, when I say hot oil, it's actually warm oil, not hot, so you don't go and scald your scalp. Guys, when your hot oil treatment touches your scalp, it is so soothing. At least for me, it is very soothing. I love the way it feels. If you're watching and you're not yet subscribed to the channel, please, guys, subscribe to the channel. Subscribe, click on the bell by the side, select the all option so that whenever I post videos, you will get the videos. And guys, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. When applying the hot oil treatment, I concentrate on my ends too. Guys, we have to baby these ends in order for us to see results. The ends of your hair have to be babied. So that's what I'm doing. I'm concentrating on the ends. I'm applying the oil. After applying the oil, what I do is just cover my hair with a cap. Normally, I use a nylon bag because I have a lot of them, disposable nylon bags. I cover my hair sometimes overnight, sometimes for a few hours. But this particular day, I covered it overnight and covered a scarf. Guys, if you're struggling with dry, brittle hair, try a hot oil treatment. Try incorporating hot oil treatments into your regimen and see what difference it will make. After that is just to wash it out, guys. Nothing there. Shampoo the oil out of your hair and proceed with your wash day. It just leaves my hair feeling soft, feeling so good. These are the few ways I've been able to use cloves to grow my hair from this to this and to this. I hope you have found something here useful. There are so many other ways of using cloves, but this is the way I use consistently and I've been seeing results. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. See what consistency has done. My hair has grown so much. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.